Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought because it is so flippin' beautiful out today, it's spring, we're moving into summer months, sometimes a bold lip can just really, cheer up your mood. So I wanted to show you my top 5 favorite bold and bright lipsticks. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep on watching. I thought I would start with the lightest shade in the bunch, lightest of the bold shades. It's this MAC one. It's one of their Powder Kiss lipsticks in 923 Stay Curious. Whenever the girl brought it out to me, I was like, oh, it's not going to be like very bright because I kind of wanted to play around with corals a little bit more. But this is definitely the most wearable coral-ish color that I have. I love to pair it with Whirl liner just to kind of deepen out the edges because sometimes I find that it needs just a little bit of a liner or else it just really fades. But the consistency of this lipstick, oh, so good. Out of all the shades that I'm showing you, this is probably the most wearable and the most comfortable on the lips. I think just the formula of the Powder Kiss lipsticks from MAC are highly recommend trying this one out because it is so perfect for spring, summer, a little pop of color without being like bam in your face. I always seem to film my lipstick swatch type videos on the sunniest, cloudiest day ever. The front of the house where I normally film was like going from so overexposed to like so shadowed, and so I'm filming in my bedroom. Hopefully it's a little bit better because the sun's at the front of the house, but it's still going in and out. Let's move on. We're gonna go to another favorite of mine. I tend not to wear bold lipsticks as much as I used to just because with a toddler, I'm kissing them. I feel like it gets everywhere. So whenever I go to an event where my outfit is calling for a bolder lipstick, I always try and wear one just because I feel like I don't wear them as much as I used to. This one is a little bit, is it newer? It's like from last December. It is a Charlotte Tilbury one. Love Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. This one's in Tell Laura. I saw a couple girls wear this and I was sold. It's like an orange red. I had a lot of blue reds, but not a lot of orange reds. So I'm gonna put it on and show you. This one is really fun. Like I mentioned before, I have a lot of like blue red lipsticks. This one's definitely more verging on the orangey. Is it a red? Yeah, I guess it's a red. It's a very orange red, but I think this is just so fun to wear with like whites, or even if you're doing like a monochromatic look. I think this just looks amazing. I know some people find that orange tone lipsticks make their teeth feel a little bit more yellow. That's why blue tone lipsticks can help brighten your smile, but I don't know. Does it? Do my teeth look orange? Really brightens up the look, but I do suggest wearing it with maybe a little bit more of a tan. This one's a little bit more of a fun pinky kind of red, a little bit of red, but more of a pink. It is the YSL The Slim in 08. It definitely doesn't have a lot of a red pigment in it. I have to correct myself there, but it is such a fun pink. It's not like a pastel pink, so it's a little bit more on the wearable side. It is the statement of the look, so you can really minimize everything else with your makeup and let your lips just do the talking, which they already do. Oh, it's such a fun color. I feel like this would look awesome for like a summer party if you're wearing like a little black dress and you just have like a pop of pink. Definitely one to check out. So nice. This one is the hardest to get off because it kind of like tints your lip. It will stay on all day for you. Moving on to one of my favorite reds. As you can tell, this stick used to be a lot longer. This is NARS Dragon Girl. It is a bluey pink red, if that makes sense. I think Taylor Swift likes this lipstick, so I've heard. I could be wrong, but it is such a beautiful color. If you don't want to commit to like a full red lipstick, which I feel like is more of a fall winter vibe, obviously you can wear red lipstick whenever you want. Love this color, love how it makes me feel. Because it has a little bit of that blue undertone, I do feel like it really brightens up the look. Not that the orange one didn't, I don't feel like my teeth felt any yellower, but there's something about a blue undertone lipstick that really does, I don't know, brighten up the look ever so slightly more. Last but certainly not least is one of my all-time favorite bold lip colors. It is the Lancome Matte Shaker in Pink Power. Hopefully it's still available. Oh, I really hope I'm not showing you something that you can't get, but I'm pretty sure you can still. It is such a fun color, definitely more on the pinky side. I do gravitate to a little bit more of a pinky tone bold throughout spring and summer just because I think it looks great with a tan and blonde hair, and it's just personal preference, obviously. I do actually like to wear it with Whirl lip liner just to kind of, I don't know, it just finishes out the outlines of your lips a little bit nicer. This color is so much fun, just like all of these. That's what I love about a bold lipstick. It really does just change the whole vibe of your look. It makes it a little bit more playful. It can really help play up any kind of outfit that you're wanting to enhance a little bit more. Super fun. Highly recommend checking these out. Definitely have my stamp of approval on all of them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. I know you guys are still asking for my favorite blushes video. I promise it will be the next little series, and hopefully I don't get a crazy sunny day like today when I film it. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll chat to you guys in the next video. Bye.